Hello. Now let's introduce the installation demonstration. Of the instrument. We install the hanger today. Install these 3 screws. Mounting handle. Align its card slot to point to the installation. Rotate and tighten after inserting. Lucky. Screw out the following 6 screws. Cover it after it is stuck. Put these 6 screws on. Align card slot. Then install it in a straight line. Be rotary tightening. Put this Rika. Then this one is also stuck in place. Put the lid on again. After the lid, tighten the 6 screws. Install its filter. Now we install the probe. Align its card slot. The chip here needs to be aligned here. Install and then clamp on both sides. Buckle on card.让我们按着面部的探头 on the face. Plug it in. Turn on the power button on the front again. And then random click. You can enter our set interface. If this screen is displayed on the handle, it works with the host. Here its adjustments are all synchronized. You can also click here directly. Click this screen action time on the handle. We can adjust it here. The range is 30 to 80. You can also click its shortcut directly. The word here is frequency. Here are the 4 shortcuts. You can also directly adjust the addition and subtraction. Just click on its shortcut. What about here? Yes, we can click into it. The speed of a roller. Generally, we recommend 2. After adjustment, it's fine. And here it is A, B, C that you can click to select men and women. Model. Hey, look at his arrow. Arrow words often roll here. Then it rolls up clockwise. Words here, if it is counterclockwise, it will roll down. Set up rolling. Then click the following to roll out. Click its icon directly. You can choose its mode. After setting it up, let's adjust the air pressure again. The adjustable range is 1 to 10. The following words is our storage mode. According to the customers, parameters to adjust. OK, press this button to save. Energy General Recommended Words 510. Then press this to start. Pause to introduce our probes. 80 words. The probe is for body area. The big part is used, such as the thigh, hips, abdomen. There are still 70 words on the back. This is in the middle area. Then the thighs, buttocks and abdomen. Back. UH50 probe, like the shoulder. Use small or narrow areas, arms and calves. Let's click back again. If you return, introduce us to this face. Select according to the customer's age range. Directly select the settings then icon. Click to enter. Talk here is one of the air pressures. Well, it's on a scale of 1 to 10. Frequency, it can be clicked to set. And in this case, it's one of its frequencies. Here 048 is a shortcut. Then you can also add or subtract to adjust. It has set the program. You can click the shortcut directly, or click here to adjust. Then after adjustment, adjust its air pressure to operate. Adjust according to the customer's affordability. It's start. Pause. This probe is big one is for facial tension. If it is small, it uses a small area, like around the eyes. Small parts, lips and fingers. The facial operation takes about 15 to 20 minutes. Your phone is less looking at the operation time. The eye operation takes about 3 to 5 minutes. If the handle is single and unilateral, operate for 8 to 10 minutes. After reversing, we wipe the cleaning probe head. Then wash the probe on our face. Take it down. Soak in warm water for 2 to 3 minutes. Soak for 2 or 3 minutes and wipe it clean. Take it out. The filter here needs to be cleaned. We'll install it back. Clamp in place. Replace the handle. With this handle, it wraps the body in a small area. Handle the area it can't operate. And then, the top line is its air pressure. The adjustable range is 1 to 10. Generally speaking, it is recommended to be around 5 to 10. Adjust according to the customer's affordability. A mode is a long-term mode. In B mode, play it twice a second. The C mode is played about 3 times a second. And here's the pattern. Then we suggest using a model.